Hello everyone. The error you can see on the screen, it looks like window did not load correctly. So how to fix this issue, guys? Let's start without wasting our time. First of all, why you are facing this issue? So sometime window is not loading properly, or your system got shut down automatically, or some power failure, or some window needs to be repaired in this case. So whatever the case you are getting, you need to click on the see advanced repair options. So once you have click on see advanced repair options or advanced options, you need to click on then option troubleshoot. Then you need to click on advanced options again, and we need to click on this option which says startup setting. So we are going to safe mode basically. So click on restart option here. So now as you can see here, you have to press F4 or 4 on your keyboard, enable safe mode. So we are going to press F4 on our keyboard, and system is going to boot into the safe mode. If you are able to boot into the safe mode, that is good sign for you. Your system is going to repair now with the help of safe mode. And if you are not able to access the safe mode, it means that you have to do something else. Let me show you later on, but we can troubleshoot these issues here. Now you just need to restart your system in the safe mode. Simply click on this option and simply restart your system from here, and your system is going to normally boot and your issue will be fixed. This is the first fix to fix this issue. If this option is also not working, again go to see advanced repair options. Now you can see window is loading normally. So if you have still the problem, guys, what you need to do is you need to again access the advanced screen. I'm going to press shift button and then clicking on restart option to show you, but in your case the window should load automatically into the advanced repair options. Okay, now click on troubleshoot, click on advanced, click on command prompt, select your username, or you can put here the password if you have. Now type here sfc /scan now. So this is the command to repair the windows. Let it run. Once this command is executed, this will go to 100%. Once this command is executed, you need to type this command in order to repair the hard disk corruption as well as the bed sector. chkdsk /f/r c and then colon. Now once you have typed this command, this will ask you to give yes option, and this will go to 5 stages. This will take some time, guys. You need to have patience in this case. You can see here this will go to 5 stages, and once this command is executed, you need to type exit, or you can cross this out directly and simply continue with Windows 10 or 11. If nothing is working, guys, you can restore your system. If you have made the system restore, hit next, select the date, hit next and select yes option. If you don't made the system restore point, so in this case, guys, just reset your PC with the keep the my files and your issue will be fixed. So I hope, guys, these 3 to 4 methods fix your issue. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.